Hi, my name is Cody Sodine. I'm an architect, and I'm passionate about bringing clean drinking water to the world. The world is facing droughts, bacteria outbreak, just poor infrastructure. Our groundwater is just contaminated or depleted, and we need to find a new way to provide drinking water to people around the world who really need it. CarPure is a water dispenser that can make up to 10 liters per day of drinking water straight from the air. It has 9.2 pH, alkaline, and an alkaline environment can reduce the acidity in your body, and most bacteria can't live in an alkaline environment. It's one of the best water qualities that you'll find anywhere. I grew up in a town where we had bacteria in our well for 10 years, and it really affected my family's health. We started purchasing bottled water, and we never thought that we'd be the family to just have bottled water in our home. By using CarPure, you'll reduce the amount of plastic water bottles that you use in your home. CarPure uses something called a desiccant. It's like a volcanic rock, and it naturally can capture water from the air. There's other technologies out there that use refrigerants, like what's in your refrigerator, to cool the air, and it's really, really bad for the environment, and it's just really clunky and loud, and it's not a very practical solution for your home. The technology that we have in CarPure is silent, and it's naturally better for the environment because it's a natural component. It's a water dispenser, a really powerful air purifier, and also a strong dehumidifier, all packaged into one really beautifully designed product. As an architect, design is really important to me, and when designing CarPure, I wanted to make sure that it wasn't just something that was functional, but also practical and would fit right into your home, and it'd be something your kids would love, that your guests would love, and it's something you could be proud of. CarPure is really, really simple to use. You don't need a water line, you simply just plug it in, and it'll make up to 10 liters per day. If you want to move it somewhere else, you can do that. If you want to leave it where it is, you can also do that. So CarPure is for anyone who just really wants to know that their drinking water is safe. People who have bacteria in their well, who live in a drought-stricken area, or just have really, really bad city water that they just can't stand. People who have seen this are just super excited to understand that this isn't a science fiction technology, it's a real thing, and that we can bring local drinking water to people all over the world right in their home. We've worked really, really hard to get this out there, and we're just super excited that you guys are excited about what we're doing. Thank you for helping us on our mission to bring clean drinking water to the world.
Knees. We all have them. Some of them work better than others. You might be the squeaker, the creaker, the popper, the groaner, and you've tried every treatment around. An active life can take a big toll, and knee pain can severely impact your quality of life. In the United States, 2 out of 5 people over the age of 35 suffer from chronic knee pain. But you don't have to live with knee pain. Introducing the Revive Knee Plus, the world's first knee-specific light therapy device designed to help dial back the clock on your knees and put the spring back in your step. This isn't science fiction, but it does involve lasers. The Revive Knee Plus features next-generation lasers, which provide better penetration to joints and muscles compared to LED-only therapy. With its modular design, it's small, portable, and easy to use. Use it hands-free and cable-free. The magnetic bands are easy to connect and stay secure. Accurately target pain and inflammation for fast, effective relief. We're working with world-leading scientists and doctors to bring clinical-level, next-generation laser technology to the comfort of your own home. Revive's dream team of medically trained specialists work daily to keep athletes on the field, the U.S. Army and Navy in optimal performance, and weekend warrior CrossFitters in action. So stop being the creaker, the groaner, the moaner, and get back to moving with ease.